guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Pooja and today's video is on makeup tutorial. So this makeup is really based on summer's party glamorous pink nude makeup. और अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगेगी तो प्लीज़ डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर. तो let's start the video. Yes, so first we are going to apply a moisturizer. This is Himalaya moisturizer, non-sticky, non-greasy and very light. So I'll be applying gently on my face and massage for 2 minutes so that my makeup will be long lasting. Always massage your face upward, taking upward so that this is for the dark circles. Massage it properly and now the time is to use primer. So I'm using Insight primer, my favorite. This fill your pores very properly and sets your makeup base properly. Apply it with very gentle on your face. तो मैं खाली सिर्फ cheeks पे and this nose part यही अप्लाई करती हूँ. So the third step will be using the foundation, but मैं यहाँ foundation नहीं यूज़ कर रही हूँ. I'm keeping it very light. So I'll be using BB cream. एक minute, where is my BB cream? Yeah, so it's a Pond's BB cream and I'll be using this for my makeup. मेरे पास है कलर बार का मेकअप बट फाउंडेशन, बट मैं इसको यूज़ नहीं करना चाहती हूँ. बहुत हैवी हो जाता है और समर्स में मुझे लाइट ही रखना है. So I'll be आप इसे अपने हाथों के साथ भी कर सकते हो. You won't need any kind of blender to just blend your foundation because it's not a foundation, it's a BB cream. So you can gently set your makeup with your fingers. So I'll be using my fingertips to use it. Always remember, take very minimum quantity of foundation to use on your face, otherwise it will be looking very cakey kind of it. So my basic foundation I have been applied and I'll be setting up with the compact powder. Don't apply too much. Never applying too much. Really, it will become cakey otherwise. The third step, we'll be applying eyeshadow. So Right now I'm using this liquid one to apply, and I'll be using my hand because ब्रश मेरा पता नहीं कहाँ चला गया है, मिल भी नहीं रहा, और ये लिक्विड है तो मैंने सोचा मैं अपने हाथों से ही लगा लूँगी. यूज़ प्रॉपरली. आई थिंक फिंगर्स बहुत अच्छी होती है, सो आई एम यूजिंग इट विद फिंगर्स. Yes. Yeah, so this is my glam. It's of Manish Malhotra, और ये blush है. So but right now I'm using in my eyeshadow for giving a glittery eye look, and ये काफ़ी ग्लिटरी सा लुक देता है आई पैलेट पे, लाइक आईलेट पे. वेट. हमारी आई शेडो थोड़ी सी ग्लिटरी होगी तभी तो ग्लैम वाला लुक आएगा. एंड आई हैव अप्लाइड इट. You can use any other glitter, whatever you are having it. और मैं थोड़ा सा ऐसा टच दे देती हूँ, प्रॉपरली टच दे देती हूँ. वेट अ मिनट. Oh, my brush is over here. Yeah. So it's done now. So I'll be doing my eyebrows, and I'll be using this pencil for my eyebrowsing. You have to just fill up your eyebrows and do nothing. Fill it properly. Yeah, my eyebrows is done, and I'll be applying eyeliner first. So let's apply your eyeliner and then mascara. So now I'm going to apply eyeliner. Yes, so I have applied. And now I'll be using mascara. So let me use mascara first. Mascara. I have done it. And now the lipstick time. So here, for giving the pink nude shade, I'll be using two lipstick color. One is brown and the other one is Maybelline Sensational. This in the shade 4. I'll blend it with my finger. And after this, I'll be applying this L'Oreal lipstick. It's of Color Bar in the shade 14. Sorry, not in the shade 14. ये गलती से sorry. Actually, this is in shade 13. King. We'll just dab. Yeah. And little bit of blush. I will suggest you apply your blush with little bit of your favorite moisturizer and a little bit of BB cream. Okay. And I have applied very less blush because yeah. Little bit of highlighter just to give up the glam look, glamorous. Little bit of this I think it's done. At last, I'll be using my sindoor just to touch. मैं काजल लगाना भूल गई हूँ तो लेट अप्लाई दिस ऑल्सो वेरी लेस. या दिस इज ऑफ आइकॉनिक, तो मैं ये यूज़ कर रही हूँ।